Good morning, all of you. This is Group 12. I am Shalini Sharma and my project partner is Shweta Patil. We are going to present our project based on a topic of parking management system. It is coded in C++ programming language. I am going to explain the working of our project and Shweta will present the code. Now let us start with the brief introduction of our project. This project is used to keep the records of the vehicles which is going to park in the parking area. The objective of our project is to build a vehicle parking management system that enables the time management and control of the vehicles using number plate recognition. The system will track the entry and exit of the vehicles, maintain the list of the vehicles, and will determine the cost. Now, let's see the working of the vehicle management system. As we can see the screen, it is having the 6 options. Now we have to enter our choice. I am taking option 1 just to add the arrival of the vehicles. Here we have to give the vehicle type. I am taking one for the car. Now we have to enter the vehicle type, vehicle number. So UP 12345 6. Now we have to enter the arrival time in hour, minute and second. 12 hour, 23 minutes and 34 seconds. Now enter the date 20 May 2020. Now we can see the message has been prompt is vehicle added successfully. Now I'm going to press Y for the continue. Now the second option is on the screen is just to get the total number of vehicle parked. Just by clicking it we can get the information about how much vehicles has been parked. We can see that total number of vehicle park is 1, total number of car parked is 1 and total number of bike park is 0 as I haven't given the bike details yet. So I am pressing Y for continue. Now I'm going on the fifth option as I'm I want to display the details of the vehicles that has been parked. So I'm going to the fifth option. Here we can see the whole record in details that which vehicles and which number of vehicles has been parked on which date and what is the arrival time. So all details we can display by this display. Now I'm going to the third option which is for the departure of the vehicles. Here we have to enter the vehicle type. I am taking one for the car. Vehicle number UP 12345 6 and we have to enter the departure time in hour, minute and second. 23 hours, 34 minutes, 45 seconds. Here we can see that vehicle having vehicle number this has left the parking area after paying Rs 20 rupees. Sorry, 50 rupees. Now we for continuing I am pressing Y. Now we can go to the fourth option just for saying that how much money has been collected till now. Now we can see that total collection till now is 50 rupees. Now we can see the last option is exit. By clicking this, we can exit from our system. This was all about our project and its working. This project has a great scope in the coming future and in present also it is in big demand. Few important point about our project is that it is automatic system, processing is very high and it is in systematic way, maintains the record easily and the task of this parking vehicles make the collection of the records so easily that anyone can access it. This was all about from my side and now Shweta will present the code. Thank you.
Now I'm going to explain the coding of our project and the STL container we have used in our project. We have used vectors. Vectors are sequence containers that represent dynamic array. Firstly, I have created a class called vehicle which have data members like plate number, type, date, arrival and departure time, member functions like add vehicle, delete vehicle, print vehicle and show vehicle. For time and date, I have created their structures. I have created a vector of type vehicle and I have already fixed its size to 100. I have created some global variables like total vehicle, total car, total bike for kept the count of total number of vehicles in our parking, total count for kept the count of total amount collected till now, and I for index value of vector. Okay. Whenever any vehicle arrive, add vehicle function will work. As the vehicle arrive, it will ask for informations like enter its vehicle type, its vehicle number, its arrival time, its date, and we put all these information in our newly created object. After that, we put that object in our vector. As the vehicle entered the parking, the index value and total vehicle count is increased by 1, and according to type, it will increase the count of total car or total bike. And as the vehicle successfully entered in our parking, it will show the message vehicle added successfully. Whenever any vehicle left the parking, delete vehicle function will work. Firstly, it will ask for informations like its vehicle type, its vehicle number, its departure time. And according to its type and vehicle number, it will search for a particular vehicle. If it found a particular vehicle, so firstly it will compute the time difference. Using this compute time difference function, I have already created a compute time difference function which take two time values and return a int value. It will actually return only the r, only the difference between the r's. Now according to type, and it will decrease the count of particular either total car or total bike, and according to time difference it will charge. Like if type equal to 1 and time difference is less than 2, it will charge 20 rupees. If time difference is between 2 to 5 hours, it will charge 40 rupees, and if the time difference is more than 5 hours, it will charge 50 rupees. Likewise, it will do for bike. After doing all this, we finally putting all our information to a file, and after putting all information in the file, we finally delete our vehicle from our vector. As the vehicle depart, the total count of vehicle and index value is decreased by 1. We have calculated the total amount, but if there's a case by mistake we put some wrong vehicle number or vehicle type, so or means our system doesn't able to found a particular vehicle, so it will show a message wrong entry, try again, and delete vehicle function starts again. For display the number of for display which vehicles are in our parking, show and print vehicle function will work. For the count of vehicle, total count vehicle will work. Here we simply uh, print the total count of total vehicle, total car and total bike. For total amount, we simply print the total amount. Okay. And here is the main where it asking for our choice and asking for enter your choice, and according to choice, it will work. Thank you.